In the heart of a dense forest, Marcus, visibly shaken, fights to regain his footing after a brutal fall, his world now a scattered mess of gear and mounting dread. As the sun descends, the lengthening shadows transform the forest into a menacing labyrinth, amplifying Marcus' growing unease and isolation. Lost and desperate, Marcus battles the forest's shifting illusions, where every rustle of leaves and snap of twigs echoes like a prelude to doom. In the heart of a dense forest, Marcus, visibly shaken, fights to regain his footing after a brutal fall, his world now a scattered mess of gear and mounting dread. In a moment of stark realization, with each echoing howl, the chilling sensation of unseen eyes intensifies, casting a haunting shadow of paranoia over Marcus. He desperately whirls around, only to meet the deceptive calm of the woods, where the true stalker remains cloaked in shadow. The forest whispers secrets, confirming the chilling reality that he is not alone, but hunted. In the eerie stillness of night, Marcus discovers an old campsite where the faint warmth of a forgotten fire ignites a maelstrom of questions and mounting dread. Each charred log and discarded relic whispers tales of unknown visitors, stirring Marcus' imagination with visions of hunters, lost souls, or something far more sinister. As the night deepens, the campsite's secrets amplify Marcus' panic, fueling his growing fear that something malevolent lurks just beyond the flickering firelight. In the forest, darkness reigns as the moon's faint light barely penetrates the dense canopy, setting the stage for an eerie encounter. A mysterious figure emerges from the shadows, its indistinct form igniting a spark of disbelief and growing terror in Marcus. Marcus, eyes wide with horror, struggles to reconcile the familiar with the profoundly wrong. As recognition dawns, the figure's knowing gaze intensifies the dread, hinting at secrets beyond Marcus' comprehension.